Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. Hope you were well. I'm also well. It's my pleasure to introduce myself, and thanks to Mr. Jamal Hussain sir for giving me this opportunity to express myself. Hi, I'm TAYEBA TABASSUM. I'm from Tangail, but now I'm living in Dhaka because I'm a student of Dhaka Nursing College. I passed my ACC and SSC examination from Madhupur 𝐄𝐧𝐠𝐥𝐢𝐬𝐡 Higher Secondary School, Madhupur, Tangail. There are 5 members in my family, so it's a nuclear family. And I'm the eldest one among 3 siblings. My father is a non-government employee and my mother is a homemaker. I love my parents so much. In my leisure time, I love to listen. I love to read books and listening to music, and so on. About my favorite things, I just want to tell that I love to watching cricket, and my favorite cricketer is 𝐁𝐚𝐧𝐠𝐥𝐚𝐝, and my favorite color is black. And my dream is to be an ideal nurse because it's a noble profession and it's so honorable for me to serve people and serve the helpless people also. And but my dream is to travel every corner of the world. I just want to see the mysterious world. I am so curious about this. That's all about me for the time being. If I did anything wrong, please pardon my mistakes. Thank you so much for hearing me. Have a nice day.